I'm Larry Russo Sr., of Russo Marine, and today we're having an extreme boat makeover party with a Boston whaler, some customers, some friends, and employees. One of our best customers came to us last fall and wanted to buy a new Boston whaler. Then he considered repowering his old boat, and it elevated into a complete restoration, refit, repaint, repower. We're taking a 1996 27-foot Boston whaler and making it a 2010 Boston whaler. Brand new from bow to stern. Everything on the boat is brand new, except the original fiberglass. The makeover project involved sponsors. Boston Whaler, Mercury Marine, Ray Marine, and of course our company, Russo Marine, all joined together to create an event out of the restoration process of this boat. From the beginning, we planned to end up with a big party when the boat is finished. And today, the boat is finished.
Look at the blue lights banging off the prop.